came first? The chicken or the egg? A question as old as time. But according to 22-year-old Ishu, सबसे पहले आया एक seed.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
What's your name?
I'm Ishu,
Hi, Ishu. Where are you from?
Sonipat, Haryana.
I go to Sonipat every day to teach.
OP Jindal?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. So, welcome to the Inventor Challenge. So, please tell us about your invention.
I want to ask from all of you, do any one of you consume egg?
I do 2 eggs a day.
What do you like about egg?
Taste, the consistency, the versatility. You can make different textures, the scrambles, the omelettes, the sunny side ups.
Okay.
I love eggs. I mean, in non-vegetarian food, that's like
It's also
my go-to.
protein
it's also
and
comfort
wholesome.
food.
Yeah, convenient. So, you know, like you, like me, there are a lot of millions of people who loves egg because of its taste, texture, nutrition, convenience. To produce just one egg, it requires 53 gallons of water, 8 yards of land, and 4 times of the protein egg itself have. In simple words, if you are eating one egg omelette, it equals to you are throwing 4 plant-based egg omelette that have same amount of protein.
Wow.
So at Plantish, we are making plant-based alternatives to egg. We want people to enjoy the same taste, same texture, same nutrition, same convenience, but at the same time, we are allowing them to experience eating healthy and sustainable food.
And is it the same amount of protein also that you're saying?
7.5 gram. Egg have around 5 to 6.
Can you tell me a little bit of detail on what does this look like? How does it feel?
So the first product that we are building is plant-based scramble liquid. When you mix egg yolk and egg white, the liquid you get. And you can use it to make scramble, bhurji, omelette, or that kind of dishes you can make out of
So
it.
what will it be like? Like
It
it's
will be a
around
liquid
box?
packed in a...
Okay. That's what I...
So this is the first product.
If I did a blind taste test, would I know the difference?
Actually, currently, yes. But our aim is to give completely same taste.
I've been a vegan for 3 years. So my question to you is, the flavor profile is going to be the one most important item. If you want to flip Sarovar, Madhok and Malini to becoming an alternative egg eater, you have to make sure it looks, feels, smells, and then finally tastes exactly like an egg. Do you feel that your invention is going to be capable of doing that?
Yes. When we talk about taste, most of the companies are using similar kind of flavors.
Yeah.
But the bigger problem is the off flavor of other ingredients that they are using. So by now we have achieved, we are not getting any off flavor from other ingredients. We have tried flavors. It is coming good.
My question is, let's step back. What is it made from and how do you go about making it?
There are 2 things to make this product. First is the plant ingredients, extracting functional proteins out
Which
of...
plants?
We are using oil seeds.
Seeds. Got
Yeah,
it.
oil seeds we are using. The quality of protein is very good and very high in omega-3, 6 fatty acids as well.
Okay.
So we are extracting proteins from
seeds?
Yeah.
Got it.
And using these seeds and adding other ingredients and making the products.
It's a very interesting business model. But like in India, people are still fighting that the Anganwadi center should have 1 egg per child, Also, there is a huge protein deficiency issue. So how does one calibrate costs if you want the country also as a market?
When we talk about costing, there are 2 things, ingredients and process. Process you can decrease with time because when you achieve the economy of scale. Price of ingredients you can't decrease. You can't buy ingredients from farmers at a very cheaper rate. So we made sure our ingredients are economical. With time, we will streamline our process to make
economies
the
of
whole
scale.
thing. Yeah.
And that's the interesting part.
That's amazing.
That's the interesting part, right? It's only actually been looked at, technology has only looked at alternative sources for meat and dairy in the last 5, 7 odd years.
Yeah.
Give it another 20 years and where will we be?
Yeah.
I have a vegan stomach, but I don't have a vegan mind. That's my problem.
We will give you what you like.
So thank you, Ishu.
Yeah,
I
thank
think
you.
we have enough food for thought.
Thank you.
I'm here.
Ahana, some khana requests.
I am. I was listening and I was being very passionate about this entire thing. So I'm not a vegan, vegetarian / never want to be vegan, sorry. But I really like my eggs. So मैं सच्ची तुम्हारा product taste करना चाहूँगी because I don't think eggs are yolk at all.
Yeah.
So this is great. It was amazing and we're going to bring our next inventor in.
Yes.
Thank you very much. That was a great
Thank
pitch.
you. Thank you.
Thanks.
What I'm finding with a lot of vegan inventions and vegan innovations are that they're severely over-engineered.
It's a great business model idea. It may work. Estonia, France may be great spaces to sell this. I'm just going to be a weird nationalist here. Like in a country with protein, energy, malnutrition, where you can't get one egg into one Anganwadi for a kid, and there is like grade 3-4 malnutrition. I don't even know where to start with it.
To start with, he is looking at a very niche market,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
even though he's saying it's not for vegans, they're the first ones who are
But
going to
he's
jump
also
on
No,
it.
and
enjoying
I'll tell you
price
what, he's the
arbitrage.
right guy for the job, guys. He has the drive. He's so motivated. You have to look at the inventor as much as the invention.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Hi, Ishu.
Hi, ma'am.
I want to hear from you what is it that your pitch is about.
There's a big segment of people who don't want to compromise on the taste they love about meat or egg, but they are open to try something healthy, more safe, more sustainable. If you're eating one egg omelette, it equals to you're throwing 4 plant-based egg omelette that have same quantity and quality of protein.
We are looking at 1, the protein nutrient,
Yes,
2, the fats,
yes.
3, the structural composition of it because it has to bind together, and 4th, the other ingredients.
I'm very sure about the nutrition because I have reports. Texture is something changes from person to person. I am saying currently we haven't worked a lot on the taste.
But it is a huge aspect. I mean, all 3 are very important. I hope all the promises that you're making, you will show it to us in the lab.
Perfect. The process starts from identifying raw material that has good quality protein, a protein that is functionally, organoleptically, and nutritionally sound. Our main goal is to make proper egg yolk, egg white in liquid stage, packed in a pouch. If you want to make omelette, just open it, do how you do with egg. We were trying to use a clean label approach where we are not doing a lot of processing. So instead of extracting the protein isolate, we used the seed cake powder itself and mixed it with the gelling agent and coloring agent.
Hello.
Hi.
How's it going?
All good, just trying to make a omelette over here.
This is like the typical egg burji that I can see without the onions and the chilies.
Smells like? No?
It has more pancake sort of a smell, but it's somewhere close to the egg smell.
Okay.
The texture that we see and the texture when you eat on your palate, there is a difference. There's a difference. And I think there is some consistency that you have to work with.
on.
In terms of the taste, not too close.
Okay.
Not too close. Maybe 10%, 20% close to it. So that 80% is a long journey to make for Ishu. So we have a lot of work to go on there.
Yes.
Yeah?
Thanks.
Thank you.
Actually, the protein was not properly extracted. So the quality of the product was not that good. It was giving that raw taste of the protein that was not required. And then I decided to give it another shot. In the second trial, tried a lot of ingredients, including mung bean protein, pea protein, potato protein. Then we looked into oilseed cake. We found it to be nutritionally rich and a potential protein source. Still, because the protein was in a liquid stage and there was a very less shelf life associated with that, so the trial was still again failed because fermentation was happening. Then we worked on extracting protein and then drying it up and then making a formulation. And this time we cracked it. Product was coming really good in terms of texture, in terms of there was no flavor in the product itself. Initial reason for me for plant-based industry was I saw that ki market boom karega. But with time, it changed from just money or just business to business with creating a good impact. Hi everyone, let me present you plant-based Scramble liquid. You can use it to make proper omelette and bhurji. So there are a lot of people who consume egg because of its taste, texture, and nutrition. This is something they love about egg. But they are also worried about their health, safety, and sustainability issues associated with the animal-based industry. So here we made plant-based egg.
Oh, you have no
Really
idea how
excited.
excited I am. I got my own fork.
All right.
So, okay.
Let's try.
Let's do the big unveiling.
He's.
You do the honors.
So who's
wow.
Wow.
Looks like an omelette.
Can I smell it? Okay, guys, that smells very close to an omelette. Why don't you guys?
Yeah, it does.
Okay.
Yes.
So I'm also going to smell it and do a little bit of a texture test.
Can you cut us pieces?
It does smell a little bit like an omelette.
There are
And the texture is also similar to that of an omelette. So, do the honors. Oh, is that bite too big for you? I was cutting my size bites.
Okay, let me guess.
Saru, this is for you.
Oh my God, you're gonna.
Is that too big?
Yeah, it's a bit big, but
Okay,
I'll
fine.
try.
Thanks for cutting a nice
Yeah.
big piece
So
for
the
me.
texture
Christine, this
is
one's for
there
you.
for sure. I think maybe because there isn't much seasoning in it, so it doesn't have all the flavors. But there's a little bit of an aftertaste. I think because I know that it's also not egg. But agar if I had not known, maybe I wouldn't know the difference. But I guess you would know best.
I'm just trying to see the texture.
This guy has been waiting to have an egg for a long time.
Yep. I think you've come really, really close. I think there's that slight aftertaste, an eggy aftertaste. The texture is almost there.
Yeah.
But you've done an amazing job. That is very, very, very close to an egg.